Hi, friends! Today is career day.
Hi, Lulu.
Wow, look at all your cool outfits.
I love career day.
Hi, Kiki. Your apron and chef's hat look great.
Thank you. I'm a chef. I'm going to make yummy food for my friends.
Oh, Toby.
Hi, Lulu.
You're pulling up carrots. Do you want to be a farmer?
Yup. I want to grow fruits and vegetables under the warm sun. Don't you want to try the food I grow?
Hi, Lulu.
Hey, there's Ellie.
I'm going to be a firefighter. When the siren rings, I'll get ready to go.
Hi, Mimi. Your helmet and suit look super cool.
Hi, Lulu. Yes, I want to be an astronaut and wear this special suit. I want to fly into space and see all the planets.
Awesome, everyone. Let's learn more about each job today. Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
We're ready. We're ready.
I'm so excited.
Okay, friends. Do you know what a chef does? A chef cooks yummy food for everyone. They wear a chef's hat and an apron.
Like me?
Look, the chef is chopping veggies. Now he stirs the soup. Sizzle, sizzle. He cooks in the pan. He flips pasta in the pan too. Chefs also make dough. They roll the dough and put it in the oven to make yummy pizza. These are things that chefs use. Let's sing the chef song together.
I'm a chef, yes it's true. I cook yummy food for you. Sizzle, sizzle in the pan. Bubbling soup in the pan. Stir it up and chop, chop, chop. Bake it till it's hot, hot, hot. Taste it now, it's so much fun. Cooking food for everyone. Put on my hat, tie my apron tight. What will I make for lunch today? Pizza's ready, cookies too. I made them all just for you. Stir it up and chop, chop, chop. Bake it till it's hot, hot, hot. Taste it now, it's so much fun. Cooking food for everyone. Mix the love into the dough. Watch the muffins rise and grow. Stir it up and chop, chop, chop. Bake it till it's hot, hot, hot. Taste it now, it's so much fun. Cooking food for everyone. I'm a chef, that's what I do. I cook yummy food for you. You.
Lulu, I want to know what farmers do.
Hi, Toby. That's a great question. Farmers do so many important things. They grow food for us to eat. They plant seeds in the ground and water them every day. Look, the seeds are growing. Farmers also pick fruits and vegetables when they are ready. And guess what? They take care of animals too. Farmers feed them and keep them safe. Sometimes they drive big tractors to help them work on the farm. Isn't that cool? Farming is hard work, but farmers love helping everyone. Let's all say, thank you, farmers!
Thank you, farmers.
Now, are you ready to sing the farmer song?
Look at these fresh fruits. Aren't they beautiful? Up with the sun. Time to get to work.
I'm a farmer out in the sun, working hard till the day is done. I plant the seeds and water them too. Then I wait for the sprouts to come through. Dig, dig, dig the ground. Drop, drop, seeds all around. Splash, splash, water the row. Watch our little garden grow. Put on my boots and my farmer hat. Say hello to the cow and cat. Carrots, lettuce, apples and peas, growing with the help of bees. Dig, dig, dig the ground. Drop, drop, seeds all around. Splash, splash, water the row. Watch our little garden grow. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. The sheep says baa, the pig says oink too. We all wake up with the morning light. Farming starts when the sky gets bright. Dig, dig, dig the ground. Drop, drop, seeds all around. Pick, pick, fruit so sweet.
Farming is
Let's
hard
wash
work.
our hands and eat.
But it's worth it.
I'm a farmer, that's what I do. I grow good food for me and
I'm a farmer. These are all the things I do.
I want to know about firefighters too.
Okay, Ellie, let me tell you. Firefighters help people when there is a fire or an emergency. They wear a special uniform. And a big helmet. They ride in a fire truck. The sirens are loud and the lights are flashing. Firefighters use hoses to spray water. They put out fires with the water. They climb tall ladders, and they rescue people and animals. Firefighters are brave and strong. Do you want to be a firefighter too?
Yes, I'd love to.
Then let's sing a song about firefighters and see what they do.
I'm a firefighter, brave and fast. I help the people when troubles blast. I wear my helmet, boots and coat, and ride the truck that really floats. Go, 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 we fight the fire. Go, 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 we're full of cheer. Go, 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 with hose in hand. Firefighters take a stand. We hear the bell, it's time to run. Helping people, it's never done. We climb the ladder, spray the flame. Everyone is safe again. Go, 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 we fight the fire. Go, 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 we're full of cheer. Go, 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 with hose in hand. Firefighters take a stand. At the station we get some rest. Being helpful is the best. When we're needed day or night, we're ready to make things right. Go, 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 we fight the fire. Go, 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 we're full of cheer. Go, 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 with hose in hand. Firefighters take a stand. Go, 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 we fight the fire. Go, go,
astronaut.
That's a great dream, Mimi. An astronaut is someone who travels to space. They wear a special spacesuit to stay safe. Astronauts go to space in a big rocket ship. They float around because there's no gravity up there. Astronauts study stars, planets, and the moon.
Lulu, I want to learn about space too. Can you tell me about the planets?
Sure, Mimi. Why don't we sing a song about the planets together? How was career day today? There are so many jobs all around us. Let's keep exploring new jobs together. Maybe we'll find what we want to be. Thanks for watching until the end, friends. What jobs will we learn about next time? Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon!